In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C to Type-C cable on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vention 240W. The Vention charger cable is a high-performance USB Type-C cable designed for rapid charging and data transfer, supporting up to 240W and 5A at 48V. It features a durable braided design that ensures resilience, with a lifespan of over 10,000 bends and robust construction to withstand daily use. Certified with PD 3.1, it is compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S24, and various laptops. The cable incorporates an advanced e-marker chip for safe and efficient charging, while its aluminum alloy material enhances heat dissipation. With a data transmission rate of up to 480 megabits per second, it meets everyday needs and comes with multiple length options. Priced at US $5.55, it includes a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and peace of mind. Number 2. Qoovi 100W PD. The Qoovi 100W PD USB-C to USB-C cable is a high-performance charging solution designed for rapid charging and data transfer. With a maximum output of 20V, 5A, up to 100W, this cable supports fast charging technologies like QC 4.0 and PD 3.0, making it ideal for devices such as MacBook Pro, Dell XPS, Huawei MateBook, Xiaomi Mi Book, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel. Available in lengths of 0.3mm, 1mm, 2mm, and 3mm, it features a durable design with a zinc alloy and highly nylon braided material, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. The cable boasts a unique LED indicator for nighttime visibility and can transfer data at speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, priced at US $2.99 with an ongoing discount. It is sold by the Qoovi official store with free shipping to Bangladesh, ensuring a secure purchase experience and commitment to customer privacy. Number 3. Essager Xingchi. The Essager USB-C to USB-C cable is a versatile and durable charging solution designed for a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Huawei, and Samsung products. Capable of delivering up to 100W of power, it can fully charge a MacBook Pro in just 2 hours, making it 58% faster than standard 60W cables. Constructed from aluminum alloy and TPE, this cable ensures longevity and resistance to wear, while its intelligent chip automatically adjusts power for safe and efficient charging. Additionally, it supports rapid data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabytes per second, allowing simultaneous charging and data synchronization. With lengths ranging from 0.5mm to 3mm, it offers flexibility for various usage scenarios. Priced competitively and available for free shipping to Bangladesh, this cable is sold by the Essager flagship store, ensuring a secure purchasing experience and customer privacy. Number 4. Toocki TQX25. The Toocki PD 100W Type-C 90-degree elbow data cable is a versatile and durable charging solution designed for efficient data transmission and fast charging. Made from aluminum alloy braided wire, this cable is available in black, blue, and gray, with lengths of 0.25mm, 1mm, 2mm, and 3mm. It supports a maximum current of 5A and is certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS for safety and reliability. Priced at US $2.03 after a 40% discount, this cable is sold by the Toocki 3C boutique store, with a commitment to secure payment and customer privacy. However, it is important to note that shipping is not available to certain addresses, including Bangladesh, and only a limited quantity remains in stock. Number 5. JianHan 60W. The JianHan 60W USB-C to USB-C cable is an efficient charging and data synchronization solution designed for a variety of devices, including MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy, and Xiaomi smartphones. Constructed from nylon braided wire and aluminum housing, this cable supports a maximum output current of 3A at 20V, enabling fast charging with compatibility for PD 3.0, QC 4.0, FCP, and AFC technologies. With a data transfer speed of up to 480 megabits per second, it ensures quick file transfers as well. Priced at US $1.14 after a 50% discount, this cable is available in black and offers free shipping to Bangladesh, with a delivery estimate of June 7. Sold by the JianHan official store, it also emphasizes secure payment practices and customer privacy, with 456 units currently in stock.